Hi friends, welcome to Creation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel so that you will get latest notifications. And today in this video we will talk about few of the basic syntaxes of TypeScript. And the first one is our identifiers in TypeScript. So basically the identifiers are nothing but about the names which we use to give in our functions or like variables. And also the identifiers can include character and digits, but it cannot be begin or start with only digits. And in case of the identifiers, we can include special symbols except underscore and dollar. And also the identifiers cannot be keywords. It must be unique name, means we can't give the same name more than once in the TypeScript file. And it is also case sensitive in nature, means there is a difference between lowercase and uppercase, so we need to give it in a proper format, and it cannot contain spaces. And our next thing is the white spaces and line breaks. So in TypeScript it can ignore the space, tabs and new lines that appears in our TypeScript file, or we can say in our programs. So let's say if I want to add more and more spaces, or if I will add some 10 or 15 number of spaces, or I can give 4 or 5 tabs or new lines, so all these things TypeScript will ignore, and automatically it will compile the program, and later on it will run the program. And the next thing is whether TypeScript is case sensitive or not. So basically the TypeScript is case sensitive, which means there is a difference between lowercase as well as uppercase. So we need to use it properly. Like wherever there is lowercase, we need to use lowercase, and whenever there is uppercase, we need to use uppercase. Otherwise it will show some of the compilation error. And the next thing is semicolons are optional, which means we can write a TypeScript line in a particular TypeScript file, and it is not required or mandatory to give semicolons in that line. But one more thing is that if we just want to write multiple lines of code in a single line, which means there are more than one line present in a program, and we just want to write that more than one program in a single line, then in that case we need to give semicolon. Otherwise the TypeScript compiler is unable to find whether that is a single line of code or it contains a multiple line of codes. So these are the things we need to take care while writing the TypeScript program. And the next one is the comments in TypeScript. So basically there are two types of comments are present, like the single line comments and as well as multi-line comments. So these are the few of the basic syntaxes, and all these syntaxes whatever I had discussed I will use in my upcoming videos, and whenever I will just give you some of the examples, or whenever I will write few of the programs, I will use all these concepts like identifiers, the semicolons are optional, and comments like single comments, multiple line of comments, all those things I will describe with the example. Thank you.